Python is the Goliath behind giants. We're talking Google, NASA, Netflix, all harnessing its power for web development, data crunching, AI, and more. If they're using it, why aren't you? And Python isn't just popular, it's a powerhouse, dominating as the fastest growing major programming language. It has captured 28.3% of the developer community thanks to its simplicity and versatility. Each module of this course is designed to build your skills step by step. From simple scripts to complex data analysis projects, you'll join me in building personal finance plans, games, and manipulate data like Facebook and the Cambridge Analytica scandal in 2016. Ethically, of course. I bring a wealth of experience in data and business analytics, with skills ranging from time series forecasting to econometrics and machine learning. My background involves driving growth for a top e-commerce company, enhancing financial inclusion with a UN in Lesotho, and being a startup founder. Now, here's the kicker. Every piece of code you write is an investment in your future. Whether you're boosting your resume, changing careers, or launching your own data-driven startup, the skills you gain here will open doors you never thought possible. So, what's stopping you? See you inside.